Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1968 Chevy Camaro hardtop. Of course, everybody loves these first generation Camaros, not just for the looks but for the beauty. This one we have here featuring a full-on red exterior. As you see, it does have the nice aftermarket weld racing wheels with the red line tires to give it more of a sporty look. Also to blend in that red exterior to the fine fact that this car is one of a kind. Having a 2-inch cowl induction hood for a sporty, nice look. Unlike the stock hoods that came with the SS louvers or the flat style hood. Having both front and rear spoilers to actually make it a super sport car. Locking gas caps, nobody puts sugar down your tank. Anyways, move on to the inside. You can see it is a 6-speed manual. Not a 4-speed, not a 3-speed, not a 2-speed power glide, but a 6-speed manual. Other than that, you can also see we've got the twin bucket seats. Very good condition, same for the back. This is a very custom ride vehicle, as you can see. Even for the headliner, if you can see, it's just one big piece, not the bows and the material like you saw back in 1968. Got an awesome Dakota digital dash, which is very accurate than the old style gauges. Back at the time, you only had speedometer and the gas gauge. If your vehicle was an RS, you would have the gauges in the console. But other things you can see, we also have the nice aftermarket tune style radio, stock style door panels. Everything you can see is in good condition. Wooden 3-spoke steering wheel, the best you can get with this Camaro, especially the fact that you have vintage AC. That's why we have the windows up and feeling nice and hot in here. But other than that, underneath the hood featuring a nice LS2 engine, which is a perfect time to open it up since nobody's around. It does pull, it is beam, and it is ready to go. Leading to the back with the dual exhaust is definitely the way to go with these old cars. Underneath suspension is very all new, in good condition. Tubular control arms. Best suspension you can get for a resto mod vehicle like this. I don't even want to know how much money was spent in it, but I feel happy that I'm one of the people that gets to drive it. But as for now, it is time